Hello friends, hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jitesh Rangdale here. So the specificity of today's lecture is again, today's lecture is very interesting. तो आज का लेक्चर दोस्तों बड़ा ही मजेदार सा है एकदम सा, और बिल्कुल बात सही भी है। पढ़ाई कोई बोझ नहीं है, पढ़ाई कोई हमारे ऊपर हमारे दिमाग के ऊपर का प्रेशर नहीं है। पढ़ाई में मजा बिल्कुल आना चाहिए, जरूर मजा आना चाहिए। सो टुडेज लेक्चर इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ओके यस, तो बड़ी ठंडे दिमाग से आराम से जो है आपको इस लेक्चर को सुनना है दोस्तों, और मजा लेना है, और मजा आना ही चाहिए बिकॉज स्टडी इज इंटरेस्टिंग। तो अपने मन को बताओ, अपने मन को ये दोहराओ कि नहीं, पढ़ाई में भी मजा है, पढ़ाई में भी फील है, पढ़ाई भी इंटरेस्टिंग है। तो ऐसा बोलते हुए आज का लेक्चर हम नए जोश के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। लेकिन शर्त यह है कि मजा आपको तब आएगा, पढ़ाई तब बोझ नहीं लगेगी जब आप वीडियो को जो है पूरा देखोगे दोस्तों। सो इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल यू गाइस, प्लीज वॉच द फुल वीडियो। ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट विद। तो चलो दोस्तों चलते हैं आज के एक नए से एक अच्छे एक शानदार जानदार टॉपिक की तरफ, और वो है दुनिया, डीएनए की दुनिया, क्रोमोसोम की दुनिया, जीन की दुनिया। उस पर्टिकुलर दुनिया में हमको जाना है दोस्तों। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो द मेन हेडिंग इज न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स। So now there are two types of nucleic acids mainly. First one is DNA and another is RNA. So these are the two types of nucleic acids mainly. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. These are the things. Then this nucleic acid, it is the polymer of nucleotides. Then what do you mean by polymer? The meaning of poly is many and another word is monomer. So another word is monomer, and monomer is converted into polymer. The meaning of monomer is one, meaning of polymer is many. So many nucleotides combine together to form nucleic acid. Then what do you mean by this nucleotide? Then this nucleotide consists of three parts mainly. First one is pentose sugar, containing 5 carbon. Another is second nitrogenous bases. Short form is N.B, and third one is phosphoric acid. Or we can say phosphate group. It is denoted by P mainly. Okay. Now pentose sugar containing 5 carbons. So there are two types of pentose sugar mainly. First one is deoxyribose sugar. So in case of DNA, the pentose sugar present is called as deoxyribose sugar, and hence there is the word is deoxyribonucleic acid. In case of RNA mainly, another pentose sugar is present, ribose sugar. This is one of the again pentose sugar. So in case of RNA, the pentose sugar present is ribose sugar, and hence it is called as ribonucleic acid. Okay. Now these are the three components of nucleotide. Another term is nucleoside. And in this nucleoside, these both things are included. It included pentose sugar, it included nitrogenous bases. So pentose sugar plus nitrogenous bases, both, if we combine both these terms, then it is called as nucleoside. In case of nucleoside, phosphate group or phosphoric acid is absent. That is the thing. That is the basic difference between nucleotide and nucleoside, friends. Then nitrogenous bases. So there are 4 type of nitrogenous bases. So mainly nitrogenous bases are, first one is adenine, second is guanine, third one is thymine, fourth one is cytosine, and fifth one is uracil. These are the things. From that, adenine and guanine, they are denoted by A, this denoted by G, thymine denoted by T, cytosine denoted by C, uracil denoted by U. Adenine and guanine, they are called as purines, and thymine, cytosine and uracils, they are called as pyrimidines. So thymine present in DNA and uracil present in RNA. So this thymine of DNA is replaced by uracil in RNA. Okay. Then next concept is gene. The next question arises in the mind, what do you mean by this gene? So gene is the segment or part of DNA then next is chromosome. It is the highly condensed form of DNA or thread-like structure present in nucleus. Then next question arises in the mind, why there is the need of condensation of DNA and why DNA is present in the form of chromosome inside the nucleus. So there is the condensation of DNA mainly. So why there is the need? This is because so जस्ट ऐसा समझो दोस्तों कि डीएनए जो है वो थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, एक लंबी सी रस्सी मतलब डीएनए है और उसी रस्सी को अगर हम बांधते जाएंगे सो इट इज नथिंग बट द क्रोमोसोम. ओके, फिर सवाल आएगा, दिस इज नथिंग बट द कंडेंसेशन ऑफ डीएनए. फिर सवाल आएगा कि व्हाई देयर इज द नीड ऑफ कंडेंसेशन ऑफ डीएनए. ये हो गया. अब जो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो डीएनए होता है वो क्रोमोसोम के फॉर्म में होता है. इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. So why is it so? Because in nucleus there is very less space. अब हमको इतने से स्पेस के अंदर इतने लेंथ वाले इतने लंबी सी रस्सी को रखना है, तो जाहिर सी बात है अगर इतनी लंबी सी रस्सी है मतलब डीएनए है, उसको हमको इतने से जगह न्यूक्लियस के अंदर स्पेस में रखना है, तो जाहिर सी बात है उस रस्सी को हमको तोड़ मरोड़ कर बांध कर रखना पड़ेगा. और न्यूक्लियस के अंदर हम उसको बांध कर रखते, तोड़ मरोड़ के रखते. इट इज नथिंग बट द क्रोमोसोम. Now, chromosomes are, one is diploid denoted by 2n, that is 2 pairs of chromosomes, and another is haploid denoted by n, 1 pair of chromosomes. Now diploid are nothing but the somatic cells, and these somatic cells, they do not involve in reproduction process. They involved in other than reproduction process. They are involved in body characters, mainly formation of eye, ear, mainly hairs, color of skin, and all these are etc. These are the body characters. Then another is haploid. Haploid are nothing but the sex cells. They are called as germline cells or germ cells mainly. Okay, and germ cells, they involved in reproduction process mainly, and there are two germ cells. They are called as gametes. One is male and another is female. Male is nothing but the sperms and female is nothing but the egg cell. So the conclusion is that the highest form is chromosome, then which is present in nucleus, then DNA, which is the highly mainly, then gene. So this is the largest from chromosome. After that chromosome, then after that DNA, after that gene. And if I consider shortest gene, okay, gene के बाद DNA और DNA के बाद chromosome. Yes. So hope so you like my lecture very much. Thank you so much for listening me. अगर आपको लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you.